Only 10 days to monetize your YouTube channel in 2025. Top viral content strategy. Have you ever dreamed of monetizing your YouTube channel and making money from your content? Imagine doing it in just 10 days in 2025. It's possible, and today we're going to show you how. Hey, creators, welcome back to the channel. If you're ready to blow up on YouTube, you're in the right place. This year, the game has changed. With the right viral content, the right strategy, and some serious hustle, you can hit that magic 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours fast. So, what kind of content is going viral in 2025? Let's break down the top trends that are taking YouTube by storm. First up, YouTube Shorts. These bite-sized, fast-paced videos are designed for today's short attention span. Think TikTok, but on YouTube. Create quick, engaging content that viewers can't help but watch and share. People are always searching for answers, whether it's how to cook a new recipe or how to edit videos on their phone. Educational content is hot. If you're an expert or can quickly learn something new, this could be your key to viral success. Let's be real, everyone loves a good reaction, whether it's reacting to trending music videos, funny fails, or participating in the latest YouTube challenge. This content hooks people in and gets them watching until the end. 2025 is the year of niche domination. Instead of trying to reach everyone, narrow down your focus. Whether it's tech reviews, fitness tips, or pet care, being an expert in one area can make your channel the go-to spot for that community. Okay, so now you know the type of content that's going viral. But here's the key: consistency and engagement. Post daily if possible, respond to every comment, and optimize your titles and thumbnails to keep viewers coming back. 1. Day 1 2 3. Research trending topics and create a content calendar. Post your first video. 2. Day 426. Post daily shorts or engaging content to increase watch time. 3. Day 7 to 9. Promote your channel on social media and engage with every comment. 4. Day 10. Hit those milestones and apply for monetization. You got this. With the right content and dedication, monetizing your YouTube channel in 10 days is totally doable in 2025. So, what are you waiting for? Start creating and make this your year to go viral. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more tips on how to crush it on YouTube. See you in the next video.